Hi guys, in today's video I will show you that how you can fix the Rainbow Six Siege game is not launching in your Steam. So I will show you guys the effective solution to fix this problem, so make sure you watch this entire video. First you can go to your library of your Steam, go to the Rainbow Six Siege game, click on this gear icon and go to your properties of your game. Click on this install files and just click on the verify integrity of game files. By clicking on this it will start repairing your corrupted files of your game and any missing files, and it can fix them automatically. And if this does not fix your issue, click on the browse option, select your app of Rainbow Six Siege and right click on your app where it starts and click on the properties. And now here you can go to the compatibility and check this box of run the program as an administrator, and then just click on the apply and then click on the OK. And this will also fix your issue. After that, just restart the Steam and restart your game and see your problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still persist, then you can go with the next solution. Go to your Windows search, type the update, and now you can update your Windows, because the Windows update will unupdated window will also cause the issue. After that, now you can go to the Windows search again, type the device manager and open that. And you also need to update your graphic card, because the unupdated graphic card will also cause the issue of the not launching. So you need to just update your graphic card. After that, just restart the game and see your problem is fixed or not. And if your problem still does not fix, then you can go to the Windows search, type the control panel, open it, and here click on the view by selected to large icons, and then just simply go to the Windows Defender Firewall and then just click on the turn Windows Firewall on or off. Once you click on that, make sure you have selected to this, which is turn off to the private network and also turn off on the public network, and then just click on the OK and then just restart your Steam, restart your game, and you will see your problem is fixed. And guys, this is how you can fix the Rainbow Six Siege not launching error. And if this fix your issue, so make sure you like the video and also do subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.